Abusiamu kwa Badiba Island Media Ghana. Mesro sese neni di kanya. Wo share y video mesro so be subscribe. You be like na wa share na do comment no. Ede ato ho ede amame. Enche ena me be video bi aba Hana Bissiw awaye Administrator of Minerals Development Fund. Oda no na nsen wo cheche illegal miners a almost say yensa asese yensu. A okwache excavators 40 a adeche ni mu 33 ayera amanaka 7 no. Ene abro ye DC ade abetu dwa say meeting bi akoso owo Jubilee House ene no omode warning akọ eye maame Hana Bissiw say sa Galamsey fight na all fight say what cheche ngofo excavators no onjai na sa wenjaya eye ni position na ukura no ye beji afri ni nsem amana kwa akwatena fie abronye ene de tudwa ewo eye ni TV show na ya woye no so no eye ohia TV so na woye ni morning show na ho ene wode tudwa yenkotie ensem a wode atudwa na ne ye ba ya to ebo ase ne ye biebiem
see a research abana ne say udware anopa na ho kekawo a so hu se Galamsey na koso no
ya baba hiti wo
class 2 almost say lead so nim your friend say lead as a mineral component no chemical component almost say kontomre and carrot and vegetables aye because of Galamsey ni ade nyina
and now udi yard just say e problem me abada yi e hwe na say leaves na eba ne vegetables na eba na na ma free as experience enema because udi vegetables na unya the normal text na yenim wo yenkura na se no and ade no so aka life ne everywhere you go no nti hwe ya no nam se no let me go and do liver and kidney test because enema ye di se koye mu no because of the Galamsey and ye kan obra ye wa ban mu say NDC report ne research ye ba ye nyina tama Galamsey be ye Galamsey okroma no Galamsey started 2013 besin nen and this na di Galamsey ba okroma 2013 and President Mahama himself Durubabi ka say wapeja nensa onka Galamsey assembly na nienti adabia onya Ghana for some fast one so se Ghana for yera yirefiri obi a ono 2013 2015 obepeja nensa say onka Galamsey assembly no 8 years yachi nipa no be promise Ghana for so be quantity Galamsey and now what are we seeing and na dia na yehu
report ni o say Galamsey cassava contomre plantain garden eggs and pepper harvested from Etua West in Eastern region contain high concentration of lead which is harmful to the human health. Institute for Environmental and Sanitation Studies. Because Galamsey no, because President Mahama say gold board no, and your mass kana etumi agina ni nyina no. We have to sacrifice. What was that video no?
Yes.
Or say a sacrifice near continue with the Galamsey because Galamsey no. Ebua ma yesi di na day.
Ejina so okasa asem no wo sunyane. Produce at one video.
Ghana for you. We have to choose one. Either say your person ye dollar no ejina and eba from
and I say ye bedi ni aduane awu.
Aduane ye bedi awu.
And Galamsey na MPP ye ka say ene aban ne ka say and this me make commitment to say ombe ja Galamsey 2024 2020 unin so omansi wo and now me no ka say no wo wura dwama but dia ba ko say aye 10 series.
Can you imagine, chairman?
Because ya tenasi Galamsey kuna na do kukuriye no amanfo de ye politics e ma ne affect MPP in 2020 elections and nobody can say Galamsey fight na ye de ba ya de bobo nipa ho nkwa no Galamsey no NDC fo anusu amfa nye campaign ma asade na ha MPP the Galamsey fight affected MPP. We lost seats. We lost so many seats right from the assembly elections in 2019. Transmogrify be affected in the
lead na a woman no
and you may cry a poison me.
Chairman, you tell some who
and you may poison my lips.
Ghana, I am mistake power.
Yes,
see a coffee and coffee where you do mobile.
Adia Nasaka Ghana for Joe Mongo Quine. Nanko ma MPP the peace of mind to fight, but Ghana for no buy the NDC propaganda. And now Galamsey no way. And now you really President Mahama is telling us say Galamsey no and a babwa or mine economy najina.
Oh.
And now Galamsey people, yes, ye kwakoto excavators. At the amomo, no mu to go do not. Ye better task force, no mu to go do not near. What are you promoting? And then God board say, or no money kwakoto excavators.
Yes.
No ma monitor.
Right.
No mu ye Galamsey na there will be a task force. Task force no. Not just say no much. And then God board some better task force.
Chamai.
Now auto go do. Father say why am the task force who come monitor do dia na reko. Mo say excavators, God board so be here excavators. Excavators are mo dey confine.
Chamai, can you believe, sir, in a fight of Galamsey, no, never did any constituency chairman echo hold this soldier. Sir, Oba had permission and female constituency chairman.
You have no right to enter the
money who cool soldier.
Yes, also ya mema ya yiwadi. Producers won't press any money in Amra. Also ya mema ya yiwadi. I saw the permission. Ultimate block soldiers.
What is the President Mahama account? Erastus Asari don't condemn you here with the videos. President Mahama has never condemned the constituency chairman. Naturally, say no Ukraine meaning Papa no efwa Galamsey. So
let me I tell you say strategy or my doctor say na maybe you are na say omo to na mbobopo ebedura yi station we dey ebetum enche utuma na me ni padua na utum you can cross it
okay
ade be wa transness odwena ese hu ni
plan o mafa no chairman
agro out yo nipa bi wo ese hu se ntokwa bi wo ha man kokura wo nkonwie
na wo dey wo back here dey wo dey so dey your undefeated o
dabi ntokwa ne bi wo ha
wo di ba ko no undefeated chairman abro
ntokwa bi wo ha wo kokura ese hu nipa ne se ba bi amede ntokwa ne ko mene and the word
to me and a crack.
Yeah, prayer man fan said this Galamsey fighting.
Yeah.
Omunyu o ma frɛ all constituency chairman for omu ye Galamsey.
Right.
Ukwa bibia nia.
Right.
Constituency chairman na ye Galamsey abetua a major road that ya yen asphalt from Obuasi to bibia ninu. Wa ye Galamsey na ma kwan no aba be ye one way. Police in Chino. Police in Yaden and Chino. Now o ma frɛ omo aka kyerɛ omo say obi anye Galamsey no na Ghana for de munye no mo honye eduru 2027 a ye be intensify fight no na Ghana for hu say we are doing something and to omo aka kyerɛ omo say
yenyan to abani ntino
yes omo so say de obi anye na duma ya mamo omo to omo from now to 2027 obi anye na duma 2027 June na buy no I started abani be declare shoot and kill abani baba be declare
say 1 year to election
okay and now what to say NDC ni bi akotena radio so akondem Galamsey
obi ani honum so far omo by 7 months obi ani
what to say obi akondem Galamsey
including the president
almost 2027 June number starting just say 1 year to the elections. Wow, be we will shoot and kill. You be you say no mo dia bring Ghana for
3 years ne dey shopping
3 years ne buffet.
Okay.
3 years ne dey buffet. Okwa serve yourself.
Chama na said research now. Environmental yidia ba no say kontomre ni ade kasaba ni lead no
asese jadi
ebe say your kidney ni liver no inform mo
odabi me so mo say June 2027 a game plan on my home workshop and they say na NDC Ibrahim Muntala
yes
obeye a environment minister
yes
okovawo TV3
right
any G1 say
right
obe make sure say obi anye Galamsey o ma frɛ na won no. What is our Kasabi? What Ibrahim Montala, environment minister, what in Kasabi? On Kasabi, because my warning is say, or the Sadi and a bar, Mwa, into a Munina.
Bissiw and
yes, and then you mrea, almost sit down, oversee for the Simono, and ye either send a Jumano, on you ready, because you're a Jumano, so Benam sort of chinkro for. Yes.
To soon as send it the inform
who will be found. I'm Pesica because with him they promised them jobs.
Right.
Yabama Maduma, Yaba Biamu Mobia Koyan Galamsey. To the sense a woman organizer in one of the Obuasi constituencies. Yayan MC.
Because of Galamsey.
Because of Oye Galamsey Takum. Yasana man MC account. Such a woman now Wayeno. Oye Galamsey Takum. Wayen MC, you know. Meaning Sab Obiba send the picture and the Abreme. Ya pointing o Galamsey woman, original Galamsey site. Galamsey no ya MPP yi penswa. Say Yura Mama by wa appointing as a municipal chief executive. Yes. That is what is going on in this country. Near ye kachre Ghana for no. Nye ne ye ho adwuma. And no take you to the chief imam. A rep na. Yes.
Chairman, we are dead though.
Yes.
We are dead.
Yeah, me say we don't have life.
Because so almost 3 years no monko forest monko yes and na 1 year to election no. And na omobe wone enkofo dia. Naturally, say your research you can we already
we have a problem. And now who control me over bia no abuna ni tie.
Chairman, and no tia na mati the reason why Chairman want to make us a Ghana for sorry no.
Yes.
Because this is very, very.
Now one chara you are dying. One chara you are dying.
And no tia na say Chairman, obesha kidney cases ne liver cases.
Ayenuane ayedie. Ayenuane ayedie. So ade Akufo-Addo de ba ya MPP. Yanka se power nti ye support no ye de Galamsey because okwa western north why yetimi wo akora ne ne hwene fani ho
when we for president Mahama ho
dabi that is why we say do they need the power no mo hwehwe nya wo yare a oba yare ye ba ye sa ayi dialysis ya ye introduce yi e de na de ba kidney ya na be ma obi ya de be to dialysis so ne sade no enye no a
no kwalebusi numbers no kura kosoro
mo ye ba ye no inse se o mbe to bibia so no o mo ka kire o ma issue statement say ade na ye wura ba omia lunch ye start ye adwuma e ma manfo call ye be ka kire say ne dialysis no e ye free no under ye wura Mahama the health minister issue statement say ye twam
ya no kra no crap. And no crap. After NHI boss no crash or more day, Bissiw, sound or more can. But yeah, start here.
So, a dear, ya lunch here. A man Crawford hospital. Aqua dialysis won't test.
Done for
Mahama. Free. No, my dear dance here say, Mimi a patient. Aqua yebi. Free no and omo buy no my issue statement say you come now we are wa be catch them say fe na ye ba be ye ne ye ahatio wo ka sem sa na no wa Fatima mufo ne say wo mo ye ayi day nursery fo a ye de tofe ana ye dai dada omo na say wo kita kwadu no wa frɛ adwe baji kwadu no wa hura kɔgyina na adwe na ba wo sa adwe ne ba no wa sankro so kɔ adwe baji ye nyanwe na adwe kwadu adada Hana Bissiw so Oma warning no.
Oh, Chairman.
Also I'm saying.
Chairman,
Galamsey fight here.
Hana Bissiw in some semia na and or start ye media na minimum say a skit na ucha.
Yeah,
and I'm to say a content.
Yes.
I'm a Dr. Likey. Na me who say no. We dey anya content. Because the way I know numb forest not send her or send helmet and Dr. Lucky Ebewom and I checheku and I 3940 num ebetumi aginem but ye shame wa ye hu ni hu se no ma me nani abre
me akwa ma hu
ajako num nyina ambem ma me nani abre
because ba yes forest we video we pa ma na ye fe to say kuma wudu dia
say obu nyina obu ne kure enso ye hu omu nyina
hu enti enini e na wa start ye di ehwe video no na verifa kan wa he
hwe wow hwe fans are oje
yes
so ono ne ya santo o fili
o che Galamsey we ye fight Galamsey no
ye ka kire Ghana for say o mampani abai or the settings ne packaging enu bi na be bi ekire for ye hwe hwade ama me ne
o ma akọ Galamsey fight
oma hwe
akọ Galamsey
and then run here to our to abeka say excavators bi ayira
o voice ni nyina
yes o say excavators bi ayira enti wonu mo hihwem
omobo o da omobo sisi akiro What the hell? Way or see the fight Galamsey. Oh man, onipa o tree excavator no. Oh man fans. Oh we ya no. No abeka say excavators ya yira. No mo say honey dia o kan dey free na konko hobby. Because what begu abana no mas. He.
Natural so abayo na kan ko de omompe.
Wa beti wo mo to say excavators na yira. He jandam.
Na chairman position of the man no e kan say so akọ
no mbe yi bi wo nkura na se no mo from Van Dam forces
ai enu bi nie
anyway different be no can't it Van Dam or say jandam
Obajetli
ai afa mo more voice no.
And they remove the control system. Is it the control board? And when you remove the control board, the machine cannot move. Now, it was because they removed the control board.
Me pacho samren na mini lobe ena me frefre ni esi o watch me ade echi na kasere ehon na tie ehonum na mini prosini no commander ne kokonto kwan enti wo dia said na nyan ne dia machi akosio
40 excavators na ochi ya na wunya low bed no ade abechi onya low bed ko e free 40 abana be ka 7
yes sir
33 etimi free nwuramu o
yes enti
40 excavators na way
me pacho samren na mini lobe ena me frefre ni esi o watch me ade echi na ka 7 ehona tie ehonum na mini prosini no commander ne kokonto kwan enti wo dia said na nyan ne dia machi akosio
40 excavators na ochi ya na wunya low bed no ade abechi onya low bed ko e free 40 abana be ka 7
yes sir
33 etimi free nwuramu o
yes enti
40 excavators na way
me pacho
Control system. Is it the control board? And when you remove the control board, the machine cannot move. Now, it was because they removed the control board. After the security agencies left, about 40 of them were taken over. They came, fixed the control board, and moved the excavators, the control system. Is it the control board? And when you remove the control board, the machine cannot move. Now, it was because they removed the control board. After the security agencies left, about 40 of them were taken over. They came, fixed the control board, and moved the...
And Maku 40. And also Yirai. Until within 7 months, 80 excavators and a coal. Or Massisa 80 excavators. Ayira. You see, Munye di Munsusun Kanya say Bema Bana Yere. I am unpopular.
From 40 to 7.
Yes. Within a day, you're killing
when you order from above.
Order from above. Ntino, eko. And then you send a friend now warning no because we grant interview. And no one way or Modiamana say the government under His Excellency John Dramani Mahama no Galamsey promising no a prank.
2027, 1 year to the election, and I'm about your antics.
Yes.
And the actual Ghana force,
oh, yes,
you are serious about the fight.
Yes, because
but
we are
going to election. We are so Obian Conquer Day and Conquer.
No.
Wow.
Sana assembling
you.
Sana assembling
you.
Chama one and say, man and Kobe, Omobian and Juma. Just on no swap packing the tools. Who be was Ajuma we
Omodi Mutala first Minister for Environment.
Yes. What in Kabi?
Dabi Ombabio.
Mami we so I honorable and Bissiw Mountain and Kabi. Oh Galamsey home. Take it from me.
Hey, John Dramani Mahama.
Yes, President John Dramani. Take it from me. Say order from above. And Kodia Trenya Dumani and Kaseko fight. We have a task force. Hey, yeah, Galamsey who do a man your one somehow.
Transana ye wo mo omonsane omanu nyina ni ho no mo ana plasisia omosu kontomre ye banche bayire ni ade nyina lead ewo mu concentration na ye ha ye betumi asen ye liver ni kidney no emfa President Mahama ho
dabi ene mu bewu amungu nti ya wo no mu nyina de kwaso ade a yakwa akofa aba ewo kroma no ababio Nana Mensa John Nana Mensa Ababia or Tosumienu.
Chamai.
What the hell do you know? Your friend John Nana Mensa Ababia or Tosumienu.
Tinane hwemfa ne ho.
Na hwemfa na ho.
Onim enkura ohun kura mobo.
Hwemfa na ho.
Ni ebedi a essay nyina no. Research about said this time nkofo dware anopa. Omo ho keka omo.
Ensuo na eba no nye o. Ensuo na eba no. Wo water treatment kura wo fi a still a usara anopa. Just check your water. Heda bubi na hwade.
Na si obi
the water treatment now what treat everything no. Check wonsu anopa bia na hwe. Say the say ye wonsu papa ofia.
Obi the filter akose pipe anu. Oyi ye no. Ahwea ese filter ni mu no.
Akase ho na omo horo Galamsey no.
Chairman, drama ni Mahama.
Because sansuo no wonim. Wonim ade abasese. Ghana Water Company say.
Yes.
So omo treating suo no pa ma ya pe no said ye be no ma ebe ye a omo ntim ka no because Galamsey I say because ensuo no as I say in the normal yi no wo man treati kura no wo mo treati ni 6 times
asana ba ye pipes
ba mo ye nya bia no but wo mo treati no mienu mena me catch it all. An insider at the Ghana Water Company told me this. What say ye pensu papa no man. As I saw mu treating suo no. First, second, third, fifth, and sixth, and sana baba ye papa.
But the who can't know. About to me
because the first na can't tesa.
But
because of Galamsey nintino. And they said o masia say yen suo no. And chemicals ya kon suo no mu.
Right.
Emre bi atwa ma ye nyina ye nim no to say any stream and river bi adaba bi otimi sabi no.
Yes.
Nowadays no obo say so mo treti sa ye nsuo na. Because of chemicals bi a enko no mo treti a in the normal you know, to get the quality water.
Yes.
Devoid of sa niema ni nyina no. This omo treti no by 6 times.
Wow.
Ana omunya sa scanning fanyere entreat into omuye no mienu ne aka na efre no kofie kowu
Chairman, into patch say we are all dying slowly.
That is why aneno eye wa wo system e wa hodene enkrofo omuwu okro ma na nyese nyame ka se obi medi 30 years no nko ye obi wo ha akra ya wo ne next system strong okra ye den no nti sa niam no ko no mu ano onya complications kakra bi pa no ko. This is sad. Yes, this is sad. Somebody at the Ghana Water Company and the brief me we nyina.
This is sad.
Yes. And you
in the next 10 years no
we don't have a life.
From other
say yes ma and this year buman atwa so dia we should be ready say wa wo sika no wo be kransu papa because when Nanado started this issue no enye bibia na no fight you now fight for us to get the good water.
Yes,
because emire bi baba can tell you say Ghana ha ye benya nipa mienu miensa on be kransu afri South Africa. Ye benya nipa mienu miensa won betima kransuo
no kre
dentra Burkina president wabai na ni abere no because wudi ho agora ensuo ni say a omuniska on bekra but Ghana je wo political party or ye party full like NDC say in this Galamsey fight no womu the year politics sacking crofo mind year propaganda ma fe de duru ba bi no am people baba ye on popular say
yes
in some of the forest areas in nyina no mabunu no ehun say ye no am people person ombenya sika na ndisi person omudi yie wo mo ba ndisi be ma o ma ye Galamsey anya sika
of course na say president
uko ka kire no say uko ka kire branch ono no ti dwabo so
right
a branch of omuti ema empenkwamfo a branch o ti hwere wa mobo akọ ka kire no say me ba memo ye Galamsey anya sika but on aninye
nani beje oh NDC
yes antino woman ma emabunu na omo wasa forest areas ne mani areas ne te say MPP omo nya sika aye MPP for ya enu nti MPP for the Galamsey fight ya ba no na omo de ba Entia ma babu no bia or what forest area bia no ehu MPP as a number 1 enemy.
Oh, your mom na any year.
Yes, save woman kwano. Omu we say ye number 1 dia number 1 enemy. Nti omu wan this say and this na ye omu nyame. Enya nkwa obi benya atrase ate. Eye sika obi bedi ni nenu wawu.
This is sad. This is sad.
Abusia na ne de abronye eka eno no wadwen kire wo ho nsen asema abronye eka say na NDC constituency chairman fo nyina no yeso omonye Galamsey no omonya kopim say mre ne beso akala askota bi maya kwato abanafo masa ties monten so mo stop Galamsey. If what abronye is saying is true, ntimi bisao, are we serious as a country? Do we really want to stop Galamsey? Dear Galamsey, you may obu obewo na akura no sebi na nensa instead of say ba 5 no na nensa ntia na koye 4 ne nan no ne nan so na wo say ba 5 na koye 6 akura bi bewo no na ne parts no ebi ni ho ebi wo ho so chese eni enzenzen bebre sa Galamsey nsuyi saying and kidney problems are adore so on my gun nyina Galamsey chemicals are ekoyemu if you say Ghana Water Company in Zamo de Babonten abasa Galamsey nsuo na almost one so de man no and zano mu dominions you croje mvama na chemicals almost hands with your gum no entie ni na nsuo no mes rebetuma no no na enu asan komu no eno nso danger to our health. So what are we doing as a country? So can't we put stop to this Galamsey issues? Yenye o many years and be yen ho betwaye no. Nipa ba ko ni selfish interest ntino o pese wono ni bottom or dream wono ni hu ntino o maimu ni nyina enkwa hwehiem. Na wo sensuo sensa as no wasan pege sika e de akoto buroni nsuo de abekrum ha aba benom wo to nsuo wo honom na wo de boa emom economy no agina yie na ye ne ye de no asai. And do we think about all these things before and sana yakwa asase so say yakoye Galamsey asase ne dia say nsuo ye nuanom a omwo nkro ketuo mu no omo ne buo no ma omo ne pipe ye bu ye bi ni honom omo de ne say fom nsuo no obenom eno na onom no would Galamsey akwa say nsuo no enti wonu nsuo be na onom se wo tras na adwe sa ne ma we hu a na say yenye mpanimfo omo di anim no sebi mbreduasan omo ndwen temamufo no ho wadwen jira wo sa asem we hu ne say mamu no comment section ho because Galamsey no say yentua se free honom a enya de o man we betuma fa yentuma pa efra Galamsey di o man nya wase yehwe ne ka ho asem aha ya ala media Ghana me hu wadwen jira e wo comment section ho no